Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add someone on Telegram by searching from their username. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Telegram application on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your phone number and your login code. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page from which, if you wish to add any contact, then you can tap on the search button at the top right corner. This will now open up the search menu from which you can search for any user by using the @ sign before their username. Once you find the user that you are looking for, go ahead and tap on their user ID and you will now immediately be able to access a chat with them. Now you can just tap on their profile once again and you will find the Add to Contacts option. Go ahead and tap on this and this contact will immediately be added onto your Telegram as well as your phone contacts. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add someone using their username on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.